In step 16, we're setting up recurring client subscriptions. Go to the CRM, select a client, scroll down, and click Create Subscription. Give your plan a name, like Monthly Maintenance or Pro Plan. Then add a description so the client knows what they're subscribing to. Set the price, choose the billing interval, monthly, weekly, or yearly, and pick the currency. After submitting, an invoice will be generated automatically for that client. Your client will receive a branded email with the invoice and payment link. They can go to their billing page, view the invoice, and complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, the subscription becomes active, and its status updates to paid. In the billing portal, the client can now see their active subscription, including the plan name, amount, and billing cycle.